1 apple. 2 children. 3 ice creams. 4 pencils. 5 butterflies. 6 flowers. 7 candles. 8 stars. 9 cupcakes. 10 balloons. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.